Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on a poster that is released today or yesterday, I think.
I think today. Today morning, I think so.
Okay, so this poster is all about Gulabo Sitabo.
Yes, so this is a Hindi movie जिसमें अमिताभ बच्चन सर है and Ayushmann
Ayushmann
Khurrana.
Khurrana.
This movie is directed by Sujit Sarkar, and the interesting part is this is the only movie which is getting released in a platform, I think social networking streaming platform. You can say I think Prime, Amazon Prime
Yes.
In this lockdown period. This is the first time movie which is getting released at the time of lockdown also.
I don't know we have any other movie till now. I think this is
no, this is the first time. This is the first time.
ये मूवी अप्रैल में रिलीज होने वाली थी बट ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन ये रिलीज नहीं हो पाई सो आई थिंक डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू गेट दिस मूवी रिलीज ऑन स्ट्रीमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म एंड दैट इज ऑन Amazon Prime and this movie is going to release on June 12th
actually. तो बहुत अच्छा decision है I must say because in this lockdown period everybody is like getting bored. So they can I know that in Netflix and in G5 and Amazon Prime some episodes and series are getting released every time every day we can say. But people are not like us we are not habituated to see the series and episodes every single day. We are not that addicted.
Actually problem with the series that we have to finish every part
right. And that is actually we don't have that much time to sit from morning to the till night to see the whole episodes and series. So I think for that kind of person this is a good
and also
option.
If there is gap between the series 1 or 2 days we forgot what happened in the last few
that happened
episodes.
with me every time that happened me.
That's why we generally prefer to watch full movie in one day itself.
Yes, so for those kind of people like us, this is a very good option actually. तो ये मूवी में जो अमिताभ बच्चन सर का जो गेटअप है लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. ये इनका नाक में वो कुछ किए हैं मुझे फर्स्ट जो सीन है उसमें इम्प्रेशन में यही लग रहा है कि ही हैज डन समथिंग ऑन हिज नोज एंड ही इज लुकिंग
अराउंड 95 years you can say.
And a little bit funny, right? He's not looking like a
too much serious people.
He's not looking like that. He's looking like funny and fun loving person. एंड ऑल्सो नीचे है आयुष्मान खुराना जो कि बहुत ही सादा सीधा टाइप के एक बंदे दिख रहे हैं.
He's looking too much young. I think like around 25 years of old.
Yes. Right. I think he is like playing the role of some bachelor or some office going person. I think so. I'm not sure. Or college going तो लग नहीं रहे हैं. Office going he is looking like. And also we have heard that this movie is about a tenant and a landlord. So the landlord is Amitabh Bachchan sir.
Of course. He will be the landlord and tenant will be Ayushmann Khurrana.
हाँ तो सेकेंड सीन में हम देख रहे हैं कि आयुष्मान खुराना बैग हाथ में खड़े हैं एंड अमिताभ बच्चन सर भी एक बहुत ही डर्टी काइंड ऑफ कपड़े में है. तो दोनों ही जो कपड़े हैं देख के लग रहा है दोनों ही लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग कर रहे हैं एंड बोथ आर सर्चिंग फॉर समथिंग.
अमिताभ बच्चन सर का भी मतलब जो अपीयरेंस इसमें दिखा हुआ लाइक ही इज स्टार्टिंग में जब ओल्ड हो जाते पीपल थोड़ा बेंड हो जाते उस
काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. दिस इज रिमाइंडिंग मी ऑफ 102 नॉट आउट मूवी बिकॉज ही वाज देयर आल्सो. अमिताभ बच्चन सर वाज लाइक लुकिंग अ लिटिल बिट bent and too old, but at the same time he has a lot of youth and energy on his face. Here also we are seeing the same
थोड़ा
thing.
कम लग रहा मुझे.
नहीं मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है एनर्जी. आई डोंट नो आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द स्टोरी लाइन एंड ऑल बट आई एम थिंकिंग दैट ही इज़ अ वेरी लाइवली काइंड ऑफ एनर्जीफुल very lively person. Amitabh Bachchan sir.
And also this movie I think it's a comedy based movie.
It is a full dramatic content and a family oriented movie. That is what they have mentioned, that whole family can sit together and they can laugh together. They will spend a good time by seeing this movie. So this is very good and I just give a hats off
at least
to
in this lockdown time also,
that is
every
why
whole family can enjoy this movie together.
Yes, that is very good actually because in this lockdown this kind of movie can bring happiness on each and everyone's face in the family. So this is a very, very good initiative.
And also this is a very good opportunity for other movies also which are blocked due to this lockdown. They can also come forward and release their movies here because due to
not
lockdown,
in Amazon Prime but also in Z5 or Netflix Netflix, there are a lot of social networking
or other
streaming platform
partner
where
if
they can
get.
do.
They can try.
So it
all
is a
those
very
things.
good initiative, and we are so proud of the production house who have decided to
But in
release
this
this.
type of, there will be one challenge also. Piracy will be too much challenge for
Yes,
this.
I was just about to say that. So that will be very challenging, but yes, somehow they will maintain that, and don't do that. If somebody is like planning to do hack or anything, don't do that. Okay, let them business, let them grow the
Right.
at least, because they
They
all
have
are
also have put their own effort.
efforts, paisa, money, everything. Okay,
Everything.
so that is a very good initiative, and yeah, यही दो था जो
Right now we
पिक्चर्स
got,
जो इन्होंने रिलीज किए हैं. वी आर वेरी मच लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू गेट द trailer.
and also
I
one
think trailer is
one
not
bike
yet
scene
released,
we
na?
can see in this.
Yes.
It's showing some UP number, so I think it's based on some UP story.
Yeah, Uttar Pradesh. Yeah. So what I'm saying is like the that is not released, the
Which
trailer.
No,
Trailer has not
they
got
haven't
released.
released yet.
Yes, yes.
So
I think they will
movie
release
will
the
release
trailer
in
on
June 12th, so I think maybe around May end.
May end or
May
June
end they can-
starting they can release the trailer. So we will be definitely giving our reaction on the trailer when it
Yes.
get released.
Trailer
Okay.
also, I think a movie on movie also we can give out.
Yes, yes.
Or review we can give.
Yeah, definitely. So that is what our reaction is for today's video. So I'll give 9 out of 10. What about you, Abhay?
I will give 10 out of 10.
Okay.
What is your reasons to give a 9 out of 10?
The
Deducting
reason,
one point.
yes, the reason is like the poster, it's not that attractive. Okay, it is not that attractive, and it has a touch of old
times,
kind of times, which is okay, but that can be improved. What I can understand is the poster can be improved, and they can put different contents. I don't understand what is the meaning of giving that jharbatti,
Okay.
that thing, okay, which is there in the ceiling. And I
Like
also
lights and
couldn't
all.
understand what is the meaning of giving that cow.
Goat. It's a goat,
it's
I think.
goat or
Yes.
cow.
I think it's goat.
Goat.
Because there is beard and all,
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like that only.
So, and also some hibiscus flowers is there. So it is kind of like haphazard for me, and it is not clear and not neat.
Clear is not.
It is not
yes.
neat also.
It's
So
not
that is
predicting
why.
what kind of movie it will be.
Yeah.
But yes, I'm giving 10 out of 10 just because it's for its
For the
initiative.
initiatives.
Whatever they have decided to launch in the some streaming
Yeah.
partner on Amazon Prime.
Yes, that's good. That I appreciate a
And
lot,
also
because
just because of their good actors.
Yeah.
Like Ayushmann Khurrana,
both of
course.
them are gems.
And also Ayushmann Khurrana, he's also too much hilarious. We have seen
He is
that
hilarious.
last movie, Shubh Mangal
Shumar
Jada
Zyada
Savdhan.
Savdhan.
Yeah.
Yes, we have seen that movie. If you want to see, we can definitely give our movie review.
Yes.
Please let us know if you want to see the movie review, a
Yes.
complete movie review from our side. So that is what for today's video is. We are definitely looking forward to see this movie. I am very much eager, and I wish that one number which I deducted that can be fulfilled by after seeing the
watching
movie,
the
after
movie,
watching the movie. So I am very much looking forward. So that is what for today's video. I really hope that you will also like this content. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment from Sanmugam Da, and he is commenting on emotional hospital scene from Theri movie.
Yes.
And he is commenting, hi Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, you are now very famous reactors on YouTube. मेरा
Thanks for
एक thank you so much for that. मेरा एक kind request, please read at least 10 comments on a row, because many people are exciting to read their comments also, but they are disappointed if not pick their comments. You may increase the reading speed. It will more useful to your channel, and commenters also very happy. So thank you for the suggestion.
Yes,
actually,
but, 10 comments, of course, it will be
very
tough also,
very
and
tough.
It will increase the size of the video as well. So
Yes.
we generally want to limit our video content between 10 to 12 minutes, but sometimes it increases beyond that also.
Sometimes what happened is like we only read the comments. That is not the motto of our channel. We read the comments, we talk about the comments, what we think, what is the good or what is the bad, everything we just want to address to the rest of the people or to the rest of the viewers, as you can understand. So this is not about reading the comments. This is also about giving reactions on those comments also.
Comments also, so that
Each and every 3 comments.
we are also thinking that you
Yeah.
guys are writing a comment and we are not responding. That is also not good.
Yeah.
So we
I can
generally-
understand that 10 comments you told that it is a good initiative. It should be a good initiative, but to think about the length of the video, we cannot do that.
Right.
Okay, because it is very tough.
For reading comments only, I think we have to spend
At least
10
15
minutes.
minutes. 10 to
10 minutes you
15
can
minutes
say.
we have to do.
So,
And
this
we can increase our speed of reading, but
That is
I don't
still
think that
10
is
comments,
meaning
it
anything.
would be very much.
That would be meaningless, right?
We have actually initially we thought of those things also, so
Yes.
we decided to give 3 comments that will be precise and short, and might be everybody will like this only.
We'll like this only. So definitely we'll be thinking about that, and thank you for watching and for commenting on our videos.
So the next comment for today is from Kabilan. He is saying that you missed next scene.
Yes. So we have not missed that. We already have seen the movie 5-6 times. So actually that video is actually only containing the hospital scene.
Yeah.
So that's why we have not included that part, but we have seen that scene already. So yes, definitely we have not missed, and we have a plan going forward to
give our
reaction on the
that
complete
bridge
movie
scene
and
also.
bridge scene also, and in the remaining scenes.
Remaining scenes
A
also.
lot of scenes are there.
Yeah.
So thank you so much Kabilan for watching and for commenting on our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Void Null, and I really love your name, Void Null. Both are same only, and I think you are
both
a
have the same context.
Java guy. I think he's a Java guy
I think that's
out
right.
there.
Either Java or any other
Or any
language
programming,
you can say.
C++ भी हो सकता है, correct? And he's telling that nice reaction, and he's talking about the Aniyan Aparichit speed personality scene, and he's commenting that nice reaction. You should check out climax fight scene and karate class fight scene from this movie. It's a wonderful movie, best acting from Vikram.
Yeah,
Yes, it is a
of
very
course.
good movie.
Vikram sir has
Definitely.
acting skill up to next level, you can say.
Yeah, definitely. And we have a plan to give our reactions on the different movie
Different
clips
clips
from
of
the
Onion
same
movie.
movie, Onion. So we have a plan, but not very soon. You can say,
Maybe
not very soon.
Yes.
Okay, maybe next week or after that.
after that you can say.
Okay, you can say so, because there is a list, we have to fulfill that one, and after that only. But definitely we have a plan.
Yes.
And thank you so much for commenting on our videos. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a regular basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and do enjoy. Stay safe, stay home. Okay, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you on YouTube. Till then, bye.